What if I told you you could start your investment journey with just 10,000 naira? Yup, you had me right. No need to wait till when you are rich. In this video, I'll be revealing 3 simple investments that anyone, whether student or not, can start and grow their money. My last video on how you can invest 100,000 naira sort of went viral, and I got so many requests for students, from people asking for smaller amounts. I got here. And here is the thing: if you start smart, this investment I'm going to show you is going to be the foundation for building your financial life. Just stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm not only going to teach you, I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can start each of them step by step. I'm glad you're a part of this community. On this channel, we're all about simplifying investment, passive income, side hustle. Here we get so many amazing testimonials from our people. I am financial Jennifer, chartered accountant, chartered stockbroker, and investment banker. But most importantly, your money cheerleader, about to show you 3 simple investments you can do with 10,000 naira. Let's get right into it. But before then, if you are new to this channel, why not hit the subscribe button? Because you are next in the list of the beautiful testimonials we get. Number 1 investment you can make with 10,000 naira is money market mutual fund. In this channel, I've already explained this before. Money market mutual fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in short-term instruments like treasury bills, commercial paper. Why I love this mutual fund is because it's kind of low risk, right? No matter what happens, your money can never go below your capital. And for most houses, the minimum is 5,000 naira. So with your 10,000 naira, you can comfortably invest in this. And then they pay interest, I think quarterly, but it will be adding up, right? And right now, the rates are so attractive. How can you get into this money market mutual fund? There are 2 ways or 2 platforms you can explore. Number 1 is Optimus by AfriInvest. If you use the platform, it's called APF, that is AfriInvest Bluetooth Fund, on the Optimus by AfriInvest app. Or alternatively, you can invest through Stanbic. So Stanbic Money Mutual Fund is also, in fact, I think right now it's about 21%. I'm going to share my screen shortly and show you how both work. So any of them is fine. I think with Optimus by AfriInvest, their APF is currently above 18% right now, but Stanbic is as high as 21% at the moment. So for both of them, I'm going to leave the link on the description so that you can sign up if you are interested in this. Let me show you. So if you follow the link I'm going to draw for Stanbic Mutual Fund, it's going to land you here. You can see Stanbic IBTC Money Market. Oh my God, this is 21.15%. It is so amazing. The times it used to be like 8%, 7%, but right now it is so great. Okay, so let's see. So when you come here, just click on buy now, right? It will take you to this place. Come down, get started. Yes, I'm already a customer. Or if you are new, you can just click no, I wish to start a new registration. Then it will take you to where you will fill your details. Normally, fill your details, select your, I think tier 3 is better because it has no limit. And that is that. It will now take you to where you can make payments or something. It's really straightforward. Just follow the link, take your time and explore. Then alternatively, if you already use Optimus by AfriInvest and you also want to use that, I'm going to show you how that works. For Optimus by AfriInvest, when you log in, you will see mutual funds, right? Click on mutual fund, Naira mutual fund. Now, when you come here, there are different options, but for the money market, the one that is money market is this APF. Leave the other ones. The other ones are like AEF, is like equity mutual fund. The one that we are interested in is APF. So you click on APF. Because I already have a bit of it. If not, you see buy and sell. So if I do buy more now, it will get me where do I want to fund my wallet. Remember, on Optimus, I have previous videos about Optimus, how you can invest in stock with it. You can check the channel and watch them. But on Optimus, once you create your account, if you click on fund wallet, it will give you a dedicated bank account. I think it's a Wema bank that has your name. So fund that wallet. That's what you can use to invest in anything on the platform, right? So here now, when I do buy more, I'm going to fund from my Naira wallet. It will not ask me how much. It's as little as 5,000 naira, 10,000, you can do this. So let's say I want to buy 10,000 naira worth now, right? Review order. Review order is loading. So here it is. It will show you a few details about it. When you subscribe, it's going to take up to like 24 to 48 working hours, and it is that simple. And you are a proud owner of money market mutual fund. So now this is, imagine your money growing at 18%, going at 21%. Your bank is paying how much? 0%. So yeah, that is one investment you can do with 10,000 naira or even less. Have you liked this video? Please do. I know you are learning something, and we still have 2 more amazing investments you can do with 10,000. Please like the video. It's going to help the channel grow. Tell YouTube that we're doing something amazing on this platform. Number 2 investment you can start with 10,000 naira is Fintech savings platform. I always talk about this because it is a very simple, basic one that you can pick up your phone now and sign up without talking to anybody, because it's very straightforward. What do I mean by Fintech platform? There are so many of them out there. We have the Piggyverse, we have the Optimus, we have the Cowrywise. In fact, on this channel, I've made a video, top 7 savings and investment apps in Nigeria. I'm going to link them in the description. You should watch it so that you see which one is which. I'm like, which one is better? I show you the details of each one and what offers you can find on each. But savings platform is an amazing way for you to grow your money instead of leaving it idle. So if you're a student or you're a low income earner, all you have is 10,000. Imagine investing or saving 10,000 naira every single month. You tell yourself, I'm moving this amount to this platform, and right now, for instance, on Optimus, you can get as high as 20% on your savings. Let me even show you. No plenty talking. So when you log into Optimus, right, you will see OptiFlex, you will see OptiLock. Let's assume you want to lock your funds for a definite period of time. So with OptiLock, you can lock it. You won't touch it maybe 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year. But with Flex, you can withdraw in and out. I think Flex is about 13%, whereas the other one can be as high as 20%. So with your 10,000 now, you want to lock it for a period of time to get higher interest, right? So let's go. You click OptiLock now. Can you see it up to 20%? So it will show you a little bit details about it. Create a plan. So what's your plan name? Let's say enjoyment fund. Okay, let's say enjoyment fund. Continue. How much? We have 10,000 naira. You type in your 10,000, right? For how long? Let's say 1 year. Let's say we want to do 1 year. Oh, there is a, can you see? For 1 year, you're getting 20%. You're getting 2,000 naira on top of your 10,000. It might be small money, but imagine at the end of the day, it is 12,000. You put it back again. Maybe that one you not get 5,000. At the end of the day, that is how they rich grow their money. You'll be saying it's small money, right? But how much is it paying in your bank? Nothing. So yes, instead of leaving the money I do in the bank, explore savings platform, explore Optimus and Piggyvest, Cowrywise. There are so many of them. Just watch that video I mentioned about reviewing the top savings apps in Nigeria. See, if your goal is to make money moves, to start investing your money, I highly recommend our Wealth Builders Academy. Like, this is an academy for 3 weeks. I'm going to hold your hand and guide you personally on how you can invest your money. So if you are looking for a community of money-minded people to join the academy, I'm going to leave the description. See, if you see the testimony from our student, you should be in that academy. Second cohort is currently rolling now, so follow the link and join us. I'm going to see you there. The third investment, you can start with 10,000 naira. I'm indecisive. Should I talk to you about shares and ETF or talk to you about savings bond? But you know what? Let's go with shares and ETF because that's like my favorite investment. And for savings bond, I always make videos on it. You know, it's an investment by the government that comes up every month, and that one is 5,000 naira. I'm going to link previous video I have on savings bond in the description. Please watch it. So on the third place, we are going to discuss stocks and ETF. How do you feel investing, becoming a part owner in companies like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, even this YouTube you are watching? You can invest in Google, and these are the top companies that can help your money grow. So when I said investing in shares, it's basically that all of these top companies, you know, MTN, you complain that I'm always taking your data. Do you know that MTN paid dividend? I think last year they paid, it wasn't last year or last 2 years. They didn't pay this year, but they usually pay dividends in the past. And it's not just only dividend. Value growth, price appreciation. A stock you buy 100 naira, tomorrow it's gonna be 200, right? So if you are a beginner, you can start investing in stock. But remember, this is a very long-term investment. If you're looking for like quick money, please, stock is not where to be. Most of the world richest men, they make their money from the stock market. Why not you, right? So with stocks, if you want to invest in Nigerian stock, that is fine. I have a video on that set. If you want foreign stock, okay, that's actually my preference. Or I do a bit of both, but let's say I do 70% foreign stock and then Nigerian stock. For foreign stock, you can say, let's say for a company like Facebook, right, their stock is about $300-400. You don't need up to that amount. It's $1, which is like 1,000 something right now. You can buy into this stock. That's fractional shares, right? So with your 10,000 naira, you can buy a fraction of any of these companies. Next time when you get another money, you can add to it, and that's how you build your portfolio gradually. See, if you keep investing, let's do something quickly. Let me blow your mind. Let's do a calculation now. Assuming that, let's say you want to start investing 10,000 naira every month, right? And you want to do this for your retirement. Let's say in the next 30 years, investing in stock 10K monthly. How much are you going to have by the time it's your retirement by 30 years time? Let's do this calculation together. Okay, so go to the internet, just search for compound interest calculator. Any of the website is fine, right? Let me show you something now. So let's say you want to be investing, initial investment 10,000 naira, right, every year, and let's say an average interest rate of, let's say, 12%, right, for 30 years, and then you are going to be depositing 10,000 naira monthly, and then what again, compounded yearly how much is going to be your return after 30 years of your retirement. So let's do calculate. Let's see. Oh my God, wait, can you see something? Can you see something? 30 million 852,317. That is not the mind-blowing part. Do you know the one that blows my mind is you only saved 3.6 million. You only invested 3.6 million. How did 3.6 million turn to 30 point something? That is the power of compounding. See, God, you can't be in this channel and be leaving your money idle in the bank now. You can't be dulling us in this community. So can you see 3.6 is all you put in, and then you're getting 30 point something. And let me be honest with you, we just use a 12%, but you know that some stock do way more. Let's say, for example, this stock Nvidia, I bought Nvidia about 200 and something. It went as high as 1,000 something. So many stocks like that returning over 500%, over 1,000%. When it comes to stock investing, there is no limit. You can get so wealthy from this, but understand the risk involved, right? Prices go up and down. It's very volatile. In fact, I have a masterclass on stock investing. I'm going to leave it in the description. See, if you're a beginner investor and you're looking for a long-term instrument you can build your wealth, consider stock. I really love that investment, and I feel it's going to be amazing for you, right? So go to the description now, watch that video on how to invest in stocks and ETF and get started. And there you have your financial family, the top 3 investments you can start with 10,000 naira. Next thing now is what? Practice. If you are still not sure of any of this, like I said, I have a video on how to invest in stock, a video on how to invest in using Optimals by AfriInvest, even the mutual fund. I think there is another detailed video on this. I'm going to leave all of it in the description. So go and watch it, that you are armed with knowledge. If you have any question for me, feel free to ask. In this community, we must not dull.